Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a powerful strategy, a price action strategy of taking profitable entry from the market. Okay, you will find this trading instrument, the FS volume 20, on the broker called Weltrade. Okay, they are a new broker which you can use to trade the volatility index market also, right? You can find the synthetics and any other instrument. Okay, there are less manipulations here. Okay, if you are a price action trader and you want to be taking advantage of the synthetic market, all right, the market is open 24/7. Okay, you don't have to wait for the weekend to get over before you trade. Okay, you trade 24/7. The market is open always. Okay, so make sure you check these brokers out. They are good and recommendable. Okay, so this is not a promotion, all right? I'm just saying it based on my experience with them. Okay, so you should just check them out. Okay, so if you want to like sign up with them, you can check the description of this video. All right, the link to sign up with them is on my description bio there. Okay, so I'm still using Deriv. Okay, in case you want to know that, I'm still trading with the broker called Deriv. They are my first broker, but this Weltrade also, they are good. I've checked them out, they are good. So I just said I should share this with you guys so that you can try them out also. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, now let me show you guys how to trade using this strategy I'm about to share with you guys now. Okay, now this is what I do. All right, this is how I analyze the market before applying the strategy I'm about to show you. Okay, now I go to the hard time frame, which is the daily time frame. Now here on the daily time frame, what I want to do is that I want to know the direction of the market, right? The overall direction, whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, that's what I want to do here, and I can do this by using my trend line tool, right? So I'll mark up my structures using the trend line. Now you can see that we are in a massive downtrend here. Okay, so what I do, I step down to the 4 hours time frame to see what's happening there also. So I'm going to still put in some trend line again. Let me mark these structures also. Now let me put something here, right? I'm taking my entry from the 50-minute time frame, so I need to mark up the structures, the major structures I can find in the market. All right, that's what I'm doing now. So I'll go down to the 1 hour time frame to see what's happening there. So the here on the 1 hour time frame, I can see some major structures in the market. All right, so you work with the major structures. All right, you don't just work with everything you see, you work with the major structure. Now marking this on the 1 hour time frame, this is a major structure right here, right? Because this structure is connecting the trend line from here down to this place. So this is a major structure. Let me make some correction here. So this is a major structure. Now I'll be heading down to the 30-minute time frame. Here on the 30-minute time frame, there is a structure here also that I can work with. So here there is a structure here, you can see it. You can see price bounce, broke above, came back to react here, broke up below it again. There's a reaction here, right? You can see that there's a reaction here, then it broke below, retest. So you can see that there is a reaction here. Price can still come back here, then I know that maybe it will react. All right, I can still make an attempt with a sell from here, and also when it break above this, I'll be looking up to this area for the sell. Okay, now once you have marked your structure like this, I'll still put in something here that I can work with. So I'll put in some structure here again. So you can see this is what's happening here. There is a structure here. All right, there's a structure here, but price reacted a little bit with it. All right, it was unable to hold price, to bounce price towards the upside. Do you know why it failed to bounce price? Because the overall trend, all right, is a downtrend. So the sell here is strong. All right, that's why it failed to hold price here. All right, that's why this support area here failed to hold price. Okay, so now if let's go down to the 50-minute time frame now. So here on the 50-minute time frame, so this is the plan, right? This is how you make use of this structure now. First of all, you are going to wait for price to retest, all right? Either go back to retest this area, all right? Then you look for a sell from that area there. Remember, these are the two major areas we are looking at, all right? This here on the 30-minute time frame, and then this here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so these are the two structure we are looking out for. We are in the selling market right now, so we only look for sell trades, right? So now we are going to wait for price to get to this structure. We look for a sell here, all right? But if this structure fails to hold price, then we are going to be looking out for this area to sell, all right? So these are the plan of action. Or we can wait for price to form a structure here again, all right? There are many ways you can do this. You wait for price to form a structure here. All right, if you have been watching my strategies, there's a method I use. So once this structure is being formed, you mark this area, you wait for price to break below it with a candlestick that will close below the structure. Then you place your sell. All right, you place the sell from this area. So this kind of method, you are not to risk too much, and you are not to target too much. Okay, so now let's say you are risking $2, all right? You are going to aim for $4. Okay, so you are using a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that's how you go using this the breakout strategy. All right, it's called the breakout strategy. Or you can wait for price to go back and retest a strong resistant area. Right, wait for price to go back, retest the strong resistance area from the 30-minute time frame, or you wait for it to go back to the 1 hour time frame. This resistance here is from the 1 hour time frame, which means price is going to react to it. All right, it's hardly that price will not react. You have analyzed from the higher time frame that we are in a massive downtrend, so there's a possibility that price can react from this area. All right, so this is what I said I should quickly share with you guys. This is my analysis on the FX Volatility 20 index. All right, you can find this trading instrument using the broker. The link is in the description of this video. They are called Weltrade. Okay, so that's all for this video. All right, so if you have watched the video to this extent, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and for those of you who have not joined my Telegram community, the link is in the description of this video. Do make sure to join us, and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.